I'm Alex, and welcome to Safety Monitors.
Welcome to the introduction of the calibration of the AreaRAE Steel Z1. So begin, get the instrument in operation. It will go through its standard startup. On this particular device we happen to have the standard full gases O2, CO, H2S, LEL plus VOCs. So it'll start off checking all the sensors and go through any warranty expiry dates on the sensors. This is a brand new instrument straight from the manufacturer. Lets us know the instrument installations and any alarm limits. So we'll see the high alarms there and the low alarms. Stell alarm and TWA alarm. Lets us know when the last calibration was performed and lets us know when the battery shut off is. It will do a final stabilisation on the sensors before starting up. So now everything's enabled on the units. So to enter the back menus on the instrument, press and hold the mode and no buttons. It'll ask us for a password. On this device it happens to be 000, and then first option is to calibrate the monitor. So we hit yes and begin with a fresh air calibration. This will zero each of the sensors and give us a 20.9 level on our oxygen. So we can see that's all done successfully. Now we can continue to a multiple sensor calibration. So we say yes, and this will calibrate CO, LEL, H2S and oxygen. We happen to have a can of 4 gas mix here. So yes, we want to perform a multiple sensor calibration, and it'll ask us to apply the mixed gas, which we have now done. We're using an on-demand regulator on one of our cans of gas, and then it will do a multi-sensor span calibration, which takes around 60 seconds. So we can see the calibration has been successful, and it gives us a reading on each of our sensors. So we can see everything is reading as it should be. We can now turn the gas off, so remove this gas from the unit, and then we can perform a single sensor user calibration on the isobutylene. So I will simply take 100 ppm can of isobutylene. Yes, we want to do a single sensor calibration, and we pick which sensor we particularly want to calibrate. So in this case, no, we don't want to do the we want to hit the VOCs, so hit yes, and then it'll ask us to apply gas. So we'll apply 100 ppm. As soon as the gas start is recognised as flowing, it will take another 60-second calibration to calibrate the VOC sensor. So we can see the VOC has been calibrated to 100 ppm, so we can now remove our gas flow from the end of the device. So that completes the calibration of the instrument. If we want to change any of the span values, this can also be done from this menu. We can change any of the alarm limits, change the data log settings or the general monitor setup, change the sensor configuration, including adding or removing any sensors we don't want to monitor, and then to return to normal operation, just press the mode button, single click. And we can see the instrument is functioning exactly as expected. So to switch the instrument off, press and hold the mode button. Now we happen to have an ATEX Zone 1 AreaRAE Steel here, so that means there is no charging done via the side ports. So on the Zone 2 derivatives, We've got capabilities for charging from the side ports, but on the Zone 1 instrument we don't. The battery packs are removed from the rear, so we'll undo these 4 screws, remove this section, and the battery pack pulls out, and we can put a new separate battery which plugs straight into the instrument to alleviate any downtime on site. Should you require any further assistance or support, feel free to give us a call.
We hope you found the information useful in this YouTube video, but should you require any further assistance or support, feel free to give us a call on 01489 326 031, or outside of normal office hours, call us on 07951 854 824. If you would like to find out any more information about the products or services you've seen in this video, then feel free to visit our website at www.safetymonitors.co.uk. We look forward to speaking with you soon.